Welcome back, folks. Short video. I want to show you what you missed if you did not study the things that I mentioned in my last video. I'm going to go to my last video. There's the title, right? Watch this video if you want to make money. Simple. That's the title of the video. And I forwarded it to around about 3 or 4 minutes into the video. I'm going to play it. I'm going to show you what I said.
I've shown you this morning, this long, right? This is an amazing entry to capture this entire move up.
Now, what do you see there? You see 3 up candles. Okay. Displacement down, consolidation, movement up. This movement down into those 3 up candles. You got to go watch the video because I'll speak about this in more detail. And that's all happening at a key time. That was in Asia on that video. Okay. Now, what do you see here? The exact same pattern in yesterday's New York session. 3 up candles, displacement down, consolidation. Then you have your move back up into the 3 up candles on the left. And you can see that the low of those 3 up candles on the left are holding price here. When's all this going on? Look at the time. This is the open of the New York session. Well, second hour. New York opens at 7 a.m. So you have that initial manipulation down, starting at that 7 a.m., right? All that move down prior to the second hour. The pattern that I showed you in my last video, 3 up candles, displacement down, consolidation, and the move up. Okay. And then you can see that those 3 up candles hold price. Nothing closes below the low of that lowest up candle out of that sequence of 3 up candles. Everything I mentioned in my last video. As I said, if you're not studying the chart, if you're not printing these out and looking for these and implanting these setups in your brain so that when you're watching the markets, you can identify these in real time, you're not going to learn, right? This is what you missed out on. I did miss out on it, right? Look at this amazing move up, all the way up, okay? This is what you missed out on. It was an amazing setup, just like the one that I showed you in the video, right? Entry at the right time for repricing higher, all the way up, you would have captured that entire move, okay? Let's measure it. How many pips is that? Right? 150 pips. So that's what you missed out on in yesterday's trading session, New York. If you did not study the charts as I have instructed you to do so that you can learn when to expect repricing higher or lower. As I said, these setups reoccur time and time again. Okay? So go back, watch my video where I talk about these setups. Okay? It's this one here on my channel. Okay, there might be more videos by the time you watch this current video I'm recording, but that's the one you want to watch. And go through all the videos where I speak about all of these setups, different types of setup, different variations, different times. Point being that if you're not studying the charts and learning what I'm teaching you by repeating, going back, studying the charts, printing these out, identifying these, going back, testing it, then forward testing it by watching the markets live, trying to identify these when they occur in real time. If you're not doing that, you're not going to learn. That's the bottom line. I will do a separate video on my analysis for this market later in the weekend to provide some guidance on where I feel the market's going. Hope this video is useful. I will now talk with you in a future video.